souls, and welcome back. Carrying on with our air signs oracle, we are now at our sign of Aquarius. So, my dear Aquarius, my humanitarian, a little eccentric Aquarius. Since I am a Gemini sun, I relate a lot to Aquarius. Okay, so yeah, anyhow, Spirit, let us help guide our dear Aquarius. Yeah, 3 cards, Spirit. 3 cards. Okay, so we have. Self-care is something really going on with the air signs. I know we are most of the time too out there, but okay. Feels like you need to take some kind of decision. Self-employment, guys. I think the entire financial scape is changing so rapidly that I think all of us need to finally understand that yes, we are going to finally shift to some kind of a system where we work on our own terms, and it's happening. Remember, guys, we create our own reality. And why I'm talking about this suddenly, I have no idea, because this is not what the cards are saying. But the first card did fall off. Let me see if there have been any other. Okay, no other cards have fallen. Okay. Look out for synchronicity, look out for repeating numbers, look out for butterflies, look out for dragonflies as well. Yeah. Also a huge message that you need to start indulging in your hobbies more. And yeah. You need to rest. Oh, it had to come out in self-care, and then it. And if you have a question, yes or no, the answer is yes. Okay. Now, Spirit, please help us guide our dear Aquarius. We are stepping into the age of Aquarius. I feel we already are. We are in this transition period where we don't understand what is happening, but yeah. Okay. Three cards. Let's see what the tarot has to say for you. King of Wands in reverse. Okay. 6 of Wands. So that yes card, that the back of the deck, yes energy. I feel you are coming victorious in something. What thing, we don't know. And we've got 7 of Pentacles. Okay, my dear friends. I completely see that you need to first indulge in self-care. Okay, let me I think I should really just shift the back. Don't fall off. Everything is in place, dear camera. Yeah, okay. First and foremost, I do feel that we need to just a minute. Yeah, okay. We need to find out. You are getting a little impatient. Oh. I get it. Okay. So 7 of Pentacles reversed would generally mean that there is a lack of foresight for the future, and maybe that is where the self-employment card came. It didn't come out, it was the back of the deck energy, right? And if we do have something like that, it is showing that you're not ready to plant the seeds, and you're not ready for the success that comes with long-term planning. So if I take this example of the channel. So if I continue doing this for a year and then I leave, I would not see the exponential amount of growth if I stick to the channel for 4-5 years and then see it. Okay, so that is something which is important. Long-term vision, you are lacking that right now. Maybe you are in 2 minds about what to do with your career, because again, this is something a lot of people are facing right now because of the collective shifting that we are doing. We are completely shifting to a newer timeline now. So be very cautious with your intentions, because if your intentions are set correct, if you are working from your alignment, if you are doing things from your alignment, then it's going to be okay. But if it's not, things are gonna go more haywire. But I also see some kind of success coming your way, some kind of success that you fought with others and had conflict with others over something. And I feel this has to do something with your potential, not just potential, I also feel something that you're very passionate about. King of Wands reversed would mean that you're not very determined right now. At this moment, with everything going on, you might not be in the best place of mind to go and plan, because King of Wands is completely like planning and doing things according not to the book, but just really following your heart. So that might be an issue. Okay. Next can be okay, let me just see the oracles. I feel a lot of messages for you, Aquarius. Okay, like I was saying, indulging in self-care, decisions that you need to make, and I feel this is in terms of your career, but you got the fire cards as well. You got from the Wands suit, and 2-3 things Spirit is asking you to be positive and see the synchronicity around you. Do not dismiss when you see repeating numbers in a sequence, or it can be like if you see a repeating number and that in that instant you were thinking about something. So see, these kind of crazy things keep happening. King of Wands in reversed can also point at some kind of an authority figure with whom things are not at the best. So like give it some time, because right now you are in this haywire energy, and it clearly shows that beforehand you had certain conflicts, but you proved them wrong, and now you're on the correct path. And I feel all this craziness is taking a toll on you, and you have not indulged in a self-care routine for the longest time. Not only that, a huge call is going towards you trying to become more indulging in more in your hobbies, because what happens when you indulge in your hobbies is that your creative energy is a flow. You can direct it, but you need to keep that energy flowing. Sometimes at work it does not happen, or you can go really crazy ki, oh my god, I need to get this much amount of money at this much time, so you're overworking yourself. It can be that as well, but somehow you're lacking the foresight, you're lacking long-term vision, and that is affecting all of this. Also, this authority figure might not be guiding you properly, or you can be this authority figure yourself, that you yourself are not guiding. Of course, we can't always be correct while guiding ourselves. Sometimes it's just our soul's calling, right? It's something that we just need to follow, whether it's right or wrong. And one of the biggest things that I've learned is that you need to let go of expectations when you're doing something new. You give your best, and then don't worry about the result, that you leave on the universe. Okay, so yeah, and I also feel like that your energy is very haphazard and it's jumping up and down. So yeah, look into that. Okay, Aquarius, that's my message for you.